Hello, my BBFFs. We are now ready for the very last step in how we've learned to play bridge, which is scoring. So for scoring, I'm going to go over this really quickly. I'll be honest, I actually didn't even know how to score when I first learned how to play for maybe a couple years because I was having so much fun just bidding and playing. But I know there are many people out there who want to score, so we're going to go over a somewhat simplified version of scoring so that you can get started with scoring.
So remember, when you make a bid, you bid on top of 6 tricks. And that means that whoever is on offense is going to now get points for every trick bid and made over 6 tricks. The number of points actually varies depending on your supersuit. So if there's no supersuit, you get 40 points for the first trick and 30 points for every trick after that. If the supersuit is spades or hearts, the major suits, then you get 30 points for every trick. And if the supersuit is clubs and diamonds, the 2 lowest suits, or the minor suits, you get 20 points for every trick. Game and slam are bids where you've really gone big, and you get special bonuses for those bids. So for a game bid, you get 300 bonus points. For a small slam, you get 700 bonus points. And for a grand slam, you get 1,000 bonus points. So huge bumps for those bids. Now, you only get that bonus if you bid the game and slam bid and make it. If the offense actually goes down and the defense sets them, then the defense is going to get 50 points for every trick that they set the offense by. If a contract is doubled, then you just get double the points. And if it's redoubled, then it's double of the doubled points. Let's say that Frida has bid 2 hearts. So that means that she and David need to make 6 plus 2 or 8 tricks. And let's say they end up making 8 tricks. That means that they get 30 points. Hearts was the supersuit, so that's 30 times 2 or 60 points. So then you would say, okay, Frida and David get 60 points each. Now let's say that Prince has bid 3 clubs. That means that Prince and the Lobster need to make 9 tricks, 6 plus 3. And let's say that they actually do even better than they expected, and they end up making 10 tricks. That means that they're going to get 20 points times 4 because clubs is the supersuit, and they made 4 extra tricks over 6. That means they're going to get 80 points between the 2 of them. So let's say that Lobster was feeling pretty good, went for a game, bid 5 diamonds. And that means that Lobster and Prince need to make 11 tricks. But they end up making only 8 tricks. So that means that they're set by 3. Then David and Frida are going to get 50 times 3 or 150 points each. If that contract was doubled and Frida or David had doubled the Lobster, then you would just double the score. So that means that it would be 150 times 2 or 300 points going to Frida and David. Now let's say that Frida has bid 4 hearts, even more than her original 2 hearts, and she ends up making 10 tricks between her and David. That was what they were supposed to make, so she's going to get 30, because hearts is the supersuit, times 4, which is going to be 120 points, and then she's going to get an additional 300 points for the game bonus. So that's going to be 420 points. Let's say that the Lobster decides to bid 5 spades, and Prince and the Lobster end up making 12 tricks. How much do they get? All right, let's check in. So spades was a supersuit, so that means it's going to be 30 points per trick. They ended up making 12 tricks, which is 6 over 6 tricks. So they're going to get 30 times 6 or 180 points. And then they're going to get an additional 300 points for the game bonus. Now, you might be asking, but they made 12 tricks, so why aren't they getting that small slam bonus? Well, the rule is if you don't bid it, you don't get it. So because they didn't bid the small slam, they don't end up getting that slam bonus.
So that is it. You have learned everything you need to know to play bridge, so congratulations. It's a lot of information, but you've made it through. The best way you're gonna get good at this is by practicing. We've got links below if you're really excited and you wanna learn more. Please get your friends to watch this video and go ahead, play. I'm excited for you to have a lifetime of fun with this game. You can play it till you're very old. Many people who play it now are very old, so that is testimony to that. And it's something that you'll continue to learn and enjoy for many years to come. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed these videos.